We're standing in Surprise, Arizona. I'm Lisa Noldan, your local realtor. I wanted to show you the Prasada community. It's built by Fulton Homes, and we're having a huge community built here, guys. So we have 4 different types of communities here, and I'm gonna show you the Sierra Nevada collection. But before I show you the walkthrough, I wanted to just, talk a little bit about the community. So we're gonna have a huge aquatic center with a big pool, splash center, awesome things for the kiddos. And we're also gonna have 2 different parks. But the best thing about this is location, location, location. The biggest shopping center is being built behind us. So we have the biggest Target, we're gonna have American Furniture Warehouse, we have every single type of food place you can imagine. It's just amazing outdoor shopping center, okay? So with all those things, let's now take a look through the model home. We're located in Surprise at the Fulton Home Prasada community. We're in the Sierra Nevada collection and currently in the home called the Whitney, which is a loft home. I'm gonna show you all about it, but let's start in the first office den. Typically this comes as a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, but you could, if you built from the ground up, enclose this for a 5th bedroom. Over here, you'll have the half bath. And again, if you wanted to start from the ground up, you could do a 4th bathroom. Then you walk into the chef's kitchen. The appliances are amazing and they are included if you build with Fulton, which is awesome. You're also gonna find another full bathroom over here with your shower. 1st bedroom down here, which is super cute, and a spacious closet here. If you go back up this way, you're gonna see the living room space over this way. But the best part is the master is on the downstairs 1st floor level. I love it. So you have your laundry room here located next to the master, and then you have your spacious master bedroom located again on the 1st floor. Then you're gonna walk into the gorgeous bathroom. You can do shower tub option with some floating shelves, or you could do a full shower if you wanted. They have options for the bathroom, which is amazing. Then we'll go up to the upstairs. So Fulton does something really cool. They take the attic space of a first, 1-story level, and they build a 2nd story upstairs. So let's take a peek. So here you have your loft. Again, we're in the attic, you guys. It's pretty cool. So they utilize the space. You have a 1-story, but you also have a couple additional bedrooms up here. So all together, again, we have 4 bedrooms plus a den. Here's the 4th bedroom here. Walk-in closet this way. You're also gonna have another bathroom here. An additional bedroom here. So then if we go back downstairs, we'll be out of the attic, out of the loft. Beautiful loft here. And let me show you the spacious backyard. Let's take a look at the spacious backyard here for you. So we have the nice enclosed patio area here and spacious backyard. If you look to your right, you'll see some beautiful mountain views still peeking around the other model. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of the beautiful Fulton model. I wanted to note on a few things before we end the video. So I know a lot of people want to know why a new build and why should I have representation outside of a new build. So let's touch on that. New builds are amazing right now with interest rates not at the best place. They have great incentives, they have buy downs, things that just a normal resale can't really match. When it comes to having me represent you as a buyer's agent, remember, they have agents here at Fulton, but they represent Fulton. I would be representing you, going to bat to negotiate the best deal, best incentives, everything we can for you. So if new builds kind of pique your interest or you're looking for a home, make sure to reach out to me. We're running a special promotion when it comes to this video here for Fulton. So reach out to me today and let's chat. With all that being said, make sure to look down below. All my information that you can reach me at is listed below here. So go ahead and reach out to me today.